Hi, welcome to your DepthAI on Raspberry Pi setup guide. Here I would like to show you how to set up your OGD on Raspberry Pi using few simple steps. First, let's connect the DepthAI camera to the power supply and then to the USB-C cable, which first go to the DepthAI device and the other end to the Raspberry Pi. Now, let's check if the device is present by typing ls usb command. Here we can see there is Intel Movidius Myriad X device detected, so the setup went well. Next, let's open the installation page on the API documentation site, where we scroll down to Raspberry Pi OS platform dependencies, and we can see a bash script that we can simply copy and paste into our terminal, and it will install all the required libraries that we use on Raspberry Pi, as well as set up the OpenCV and other libraries we use like NumPy. Now, as the system packages are installed, we can go ahead and test our installation by cloning the DepthAI Python repository to our Raspberry Pi. Go ahead and copy the clone command to your terminal and enter DepthAI Python examples directory. Inside, you'll find the install requirements py script, which you can run by typing python free install requirements py. This will make sure that all Python dependencies are installed on your system, and you will be able to run the Python script with the RGB preview without any issues. Now, as we have both system and Python dependencies, we can go ahead and run Python 3 RGB preview example script. And as you can see me, I'm visible from DepthAI camera, and this means that our setup is complete. Happy hacking!